Rubber car mats can easily collect dirt, mud, dust and debris from daily use, making your vehicle look untidy. Regular cleaning helps remove dust, stains and odors, keeping the car clean, hygienic, and well maintained. Here are some simple methods to clean rubber car mats at home. First, remove the rubber mats from the vehicle and place them in an open area for cleaning. Taking the mats out of the car prevents water, dirt, and cleaning solutions from getting onto the vehicle's interior. Once removed, shake the mats thoroughly or knock them together to loosen and remove accumulated dirt, sand, mud, leaves, and other debris. This initial step helps eliminate surface contaminants and makes the cleaning process more effective and easier. After removing loose dirt and debris, rinse the rubber mats thoroughly using a hose. The water pressure helps wash away remaining dust, mud, and particles trapped in the grooves and textured surfaces of the mats. Ensure that both sides of the mats are rinsed properly to remove all visible dirt. Using soapy water is one of the easiest and most effective methods for cleaning rubber car mats at home. Prepare a cleaning solution by mixing a small amount of mild soap with warm water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution evenly onto the rubber car mats. Using a soft bristle brush or scrub brush, scrub the entire surface of the mats with the soapy mixture. Pay special attention to grooves, edges, and textured areas where dirt, mud, and grime tend to accumulate. Thorough scrubbing helps remove stubborn stains, loosen embedded debris, and restore the mat's clean appearance. After scrubbing, rinse the rubber mats thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap residue. It is important to wash away any remaining soap, as leftover residue can make the mats slippery and attract more dirt. Once rinsed, shake off the excess water and wipe the mats with a clean towel. Allow them to air dry completely before placing them back in the vehicle. White vinegar is a natural and effective cleaner for rubber car mats. It helps remove dirt, stains, and odors while being safe for the rubber surface and environmentally friendly. To clean rubber car mats with white vinegar, first remove the mats from the vehicle and rinse them thoroughly with water to remove loose dirt and debris. Next, pour a small amount of white vinegar and a little shampoo evenly over the surface of the mats. Using a toilet brush, scrub the mats thoroughly, paying special attention to grooves, edges, and textured areas where dirt tends to accumulate. Continue scrubbing until stains and grime are loosened and removed. After cleaning, rinse the mats thoroughly with clean water to wash away all residue. Once cleaned, remove any excess water and let the mats dry thoroughly in the open air before reinstalling them in your vehicle. Car wash shampoo is a popular and effective cleaning solution for rubber car mats. Its gentle yet powerful formula helps remove dirt, mud, grease, and road grime without damaging the rubber. To clean rubber car mats with car wash shampoo, first remove the mats from the vehicle and shake off any loose dirt, dust, and debris. Rinse them thoroughly with water to remove surface grime. Apply a small amount of car wash shampoo to a damp sponge or soft brush and scrub the entire surface of the mats, paying special attention to grooves and textured areas where dirt tends to accumulate. Continue scrubbing until all stains and grime are loosened. Rinse the mats thoroughly with clean water to remove any soap residue. Finally, shake off the excess water and allow the mats to air dry completely before placing them back in the vehicle. Wheel and tire cleaner spray can be used to clean heavily soiled rubber car mats by removing stubborn dirt, mud, and road grime. Spray the wheel and tire cleaner evenly across the surface of the mats, ensuring that all dirty areas are covered. Allow the cleaner to sit for a few minutes to loosen grime and stains. Then, scrub the mats thoroughly with a stiff bristled brush. Once the dirt has been removed, rinse the mats thoroughly with clean water to eliminate all cleaner residue. Finish by draining off excess water and letting the mats air dry completely to prevent moisture buildup before reinstalling them. Car Mats Cleaner Spray provides a simple and effective way to refresh rubber car mats at home. Begin by taking the mats out of the vehicle and washing away loose dust, mud and debris with water. Apply the cleaner generously across the entire surface and allow it to work for a few minutes to break down stubborn grime, stains, and buildup. Use a brush to scrub the mats thoroughly, making sure to clean the grooves and textured sections where dirt often collects. After scrubbing, rinse the mats well with clean water to remove any remaining cleaner. Let the mats dry completely before reinstalling them. Regular maintenance not only improves their appearance, but also extends their lifespan and helps keep the vehicle interior fresh and well maintained.